Hello, wonderful people. My name is Alexander Grabovetskiy, and I'm a wood carver, and I teach at Marc School of Woodworking and time-honored crafts. I do have multiple classes every year, and I'm coming back next year also. Every class is different. We do have people coming back year after year, class after class, and it's never the same. For example, this year we are working on a really complex carving, which is going to be like a Green Gibbons style of wood carving. Once it's going to be done, it is going to look really nice, okay? It's just the beginning stage, but once it's done, it's going to look original, authentic to the Green Gibbons. And if you like a wood carving, you know what I'm talking about. Next year, we're going to have a couple classes. One of them going to be fundamentals of wood carving, and the second would be classical carving or wood carving with classical flair, if that sounds just better. But in fundamentals class, what we're going to do, it doesn't mean it's a beginner's class. Beginners are welcomed. All level of skills are welcome, and I usually have mixed group. But what we're planning to do for the next year, it is going to be a French style. We're going to do some ribbon, incorporate with the shell and the French acanthus sleeve, which is probably the most complex acanthus in the history, the French acanthus sleeve. Okay, so I welcome. You know, it's still open, but I know some people already, you know, getting spots for the next year. So act really fast if you want to get in my class. One class is going to be, I believe, in April, and another one is going to be in October. Okay, again, it is in Marc in Indianapolis, state of Indiana. Everybody's welcome. Thank you very much. Have a good one.